Hey y'all, I'm Dawn and welcome to Designs by Gaddis. If you love farmhouse decor on a budget, be sure to subscribe. Today I have a few more high-end farmhouse decor DIYs just for you. Now for the first DIY. This project is so simple and so stinking cute. I used some felt from Dollar General and cut a rectangle the size I wanted the envelope to be. I folded the felt in half and glued all the sides together. I placed a ruler from the top corner to the bottom corner and made a mark with a pencil, and then did the same thing on the other side. I came back in with a Sharpie to make the fold for the envelope. And then put a Dollar Tree sticker on the felt envelope. I did the same method with different colors and different sizes of felt to create these little envelopes. I needed something to put the little felt envelopes in, so I painted a Dollar Tree crate with antique white acrylic paint. And then attached this little wooden heart to the front. And like I said, so simple and so stinking cute. I found this heart in my stash and thought it would be a cute Valentine's riser. The first thing I had to do was get the paper off the front because in places it was already folding up. I tried using a heat gun, but that didn't turn out quite the way I was expecting. I then tried using a sanding block and a scraper. Next, a razor blade. And then back to the sanding block. This was the hardest part of the project. The paper did not want to come off. As a last-ditch effort before giving up on this project, I sprayed some rubbing alcohol and used a scraper. Finally, something worked. I just kept working with it until I had most of it removed. I covered the top and the sides of the heart with Mod Podge since this is MDF and not real wood. I glued wood half beads around the side of the heart using wood glue and hot glue. I painted the heart with Apple Barrel Territorial Beige acrylic paint. And to be honest, I'm not really sure if I like it or not. I may change the color later. For the bottom of the riser, I used a Dollar Tree wood block and painted it with the same color as the heart. On the bottom, I found the center and hot glued the block on. And as you can see, I did go back and paint it with some red chalk paint. I think this riser is just perfect for Valentine's. For this adorable DIY, I used 5 Dollar Tree mini wood blocks. I found the center of each block by drawing a line from corner to corner. And then drilled a small hole where the lines intersected. Next, I used white acrylic paint and painted each of the blocks. I strung the blocks and some small natural color beads onto a thin piece of twine from my stash. And tied small knots at the ends to hold everything together. I used my Cricut and cut out some vinyl to apply to the blocks. And just look at how sweet it turned out.